It's raining outside today, and I thought I'd take a little walk around the yard. But I don't have an umbrella or anything. I couldn't find one. But I do have this hat, so I'm hoping that will be enough. Oh. Right away, I noticed that the hat doesn't really help at all. How do you know it's raining cats and dogs out? When you step in a poodle. Oh shit! Ah, fuck. It's just so peaceful out in the rain. I'm singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling. I can't remember the rest. Uh, I set fire to the rain. Watch it burn as I touch your face. Okay, that was okay. What do thunder? What do clouds wear under their pants? Thunderwear. Ow, fuck.